Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. It's Antonio from AntonioMakes. So today's project are those little cute gift boxes I made using the Stampin' Up gift box punch board. Now I bought this from second hand from Andrea from Crafty Little Things, but Stampin' Up original price, full price is quite expensive, but every single crafter company, they do their own version. The principle is exactly the same, it just changed the brands. So for today's project I have used the Mix and Match the Unique Stories design paper from the Works, and I will show you all the different boxes that I made using this gorgeous paper. The principle of the gift punch board is very easy. So I'm going to show you, this is the flat version excuse me, of what the box is going to look like, and I previously made all these little gift boxes using different size of paper, and you've used different score lines as well, and I'm explain you in a minute exactly what I mean. So like that, so when you open them, oops, so I'll show you, you've got a little look like that, and then just open like so. So I'm gonna put this aside and I will show you in details a few boxes. So this box here, which is the first size, I made using this paper here, which is 6 by 6, and then I use the first line small, and the diagonal line is as small as well. So how it works, on the chart here you've got the paper size, which on this case was 6 by 6, which is the first size. The start line, oops, I'm very clumsy today. The start line is this one, which you have 4 different dimensions, XL, L, M and S. So this is the start line. You got your punch, your vertical line, your horizontal line and your diagonal line. When you make the boxes, you will need to score vertical, horizontal and diagonal. Depend on when is your start line and what your diagonal line is, you get different size boxes. Now this box here, which is what it looks like when it's flat, the paper is 7 by 7, the score line, the start line is a small, and the diagonal line is a medium. So when you assembled it, and I'll show you in a second, like so, you get this box here. Okay, so this box here is made using 7 by 7. First line, the start line is a small and the diagonal line is a medium. Right, easy to show you rather than me explaining you. Okay, so we're gonna recreate this box here now, and I'll show you how easy it is to make. Now this paper here, I've got my measurement on the back if I can see them. So this is the 7 by 7 paper size, the start line is a medium and the diagonal line is a small. So what you simply do, so the starter line is a medium there, so you align the first size of your paper with the M in there, and then you punch, you score horizontal, you can, the Stampin' Up comes with an extension if you need it to, and then the vertical there. Now on this side here, this is your diagonal line, and we said was a 7 by 7 more and small, so I score a small. So as you can see, when you score your horizontal line, the diagonal line, it will go in the corner here. So you punched and score, then you rotate it 90 degrees, position this side on the start line on medium again, and then you punch, and then you score horizontal and vertical and diagonal on small. Again, you rotate it, put this side on medium, punch, score, horizontal, vertical, diagonal on small. Last, rotate it, last side, medium, punch, score, score, and score on diagonal, and it's done. Now, as you can see, we got 4 loops here, which we punched with a little V shape, and you will have on each side, you will have this little V here, which is next to this side there. Every side has got one. So what we're going to do, we're going to punch it. So position it, this little corner here, with the punch, and then you've done it. So it looks, they all got these 2 V's on the same side, and you do the same for all sides. So position in the corner, punch, rotate, position in the corner, punch, position in the corner, and punch. So this is what it looks like flat. Okay, so you got 4 corner, and what you do to create these little loops here that secure your gift box, you're going to score it on the other side. So put it on that, and that creates this little, see if you can see it, this little loop here. So you do on the opposite side there, punch. Okay, so let me put this aside. And this is what your flat gift box looks like. Okay, so you got your 2 loops. So you do, you now fold the bone folders like that, and you just literally score and fold all the lines that you score like that. So you're doing this line there, and there. Okay, so you got your 4 corners. You got the 4 corners when the box is going to fold over, so you create your corners like so. Okay, so they will go, those 4 corners will go inwards. You're going to glue them together, and that's your gift box. Okay, I recommend to use double-side tape because I'm a quick crafter, so for a speedy point of view, I prefer the double-side sellotape rather than the glued, but I'm going to glue all the corners, and I come back and show you the final box. So once you secure the 4 corners, so what I did is simply put the bit of double sellotape in there, and then you literally fold it over and create the corner. Okay, so that's your box, and then you fold 2 there, and then just finish off like that. Okay, so this is 7 by 7, which is the same of this. Then I've got in here, this is 8 by 8, and then the start line was a small, the diagonal is a large. This is also a 8 by 8, so it's the same size, same paper size of that, but depend on your start line and diagonal line. So on here was a medium and a medium, so of course it's more like a square shape, but this is the box. So you could get 2 completely different size boxes from the same size paper. It depends how you put your start and diagonal line. Again, that is a, let me double check, I put it in here, yeah, so this is again 8 by 8, so it's the same size as those ones. The starter line was a large and the diagonal was a small, and look how different this box is compared to, oops. So you see, it's the same size paper. You get 3 completely different size boxes. Then this is the biggest, which is, where did I put it? Is a 10, no sorry, the biggest is a 12 by 12. This is a 10 by 10. Score, start line was a medium and the diagonal was an XL. And this is the size of box that you get. Again, it's a huge box that you get with this paper size. This is a tiny smaller. So that's all the gift boxes. Okay, so hope you guys like the tutorial. Dead simple. You don't have to buy the Stampin' Up one if you don't want to. It's plenty of gift box punch board. Okay, so hope you like the project for today. Give me a thumbs up, that helps the video doing well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and a link on my Instagram and Facebook group, link down below. And give me a comment if you like this sort of project, if you like to do me something similar, and I will see you very soon.